Now let's do some example for the calculation. We have to solve this problem below and express in SI unit with appropriate prefix. Remember what is the SI unit and appropriate prefix. A 40 millinewton times 6 giganewton. We need to use the SI unit with the appropriate prefix. Milli is 10 power of negative 3, so 40 times 10 power of negative 3, the units Newton, times 6, giga is 10 power of 9. Don't forget the unit is newtons. 6 times 40 is 240. Negative 3 plus positive 9. So we have 10 power of 6. Newton times Newton, Newton power of 2. And we can write into 240 kilonewton square. So this thing, okay, we simplify from 10 power of 3 Newton square, because 3 times 2 is 6. So we get back into 10 power of 6 Newton square, or similar to kilonewton times kilonewton. That's why we get that answer. Next one, B, 400 mm times 0.6 mega Newton power of 2 equal to 400 milli is 10 power of negative 3. Don't forget the unit meter, time 0.6 power of 2 mega power of 2 Newton power of 2. Next, 400 times 10 power of negative 3. We're going to move unit to the back. Time 0.6 power of 2 is 0.36. Mega is 10 power of 6 power of 2, and the unit milli, don't forget milli times Newton square. Then 400 times 0.36, we have 144. We have 10 power of negative 3, and also we have 10 power of 12. Where is 12 from? 12 from 6 times 2, 12. And the unit, our unit is meter Newton square. So negative 3 plus 12, we get 144 times 10 power of 9. The unit is mn square Newton. 10 power of 9 is giga. So 144 giga meter Newton square. So this is the answer in the appropriate prefix and unit. Next one, C. For this one, I change a bit. So how about we take 45 mega Newton power of 3 divide 900 gigagram. So 45 mega is 10 power of 6. 6 times 3, 18. So we get 10 power of 18 and power of 3 divide 900 giga. So we get 10 power of 6 kilogram. How do we get this? 18. So come here. So we have mega is 10 power of 6. We have the unit here is Newton power mn power of 3. Don't forget the power of 3. So 6 times 3, we have 10 power of 18. And then how we get this unit? Take it here. Our unit for this one is gigagram. So we have to convert into kilogram. Giga is 10 power of 9. And remember, we have to convert into appropriate measurement. We cannot use gram, so we're going to use kilogram. Kilo is 10 power of 3. So we left another 10 power of 6 times 10 power of 3. So we get back 6 plus 3, we have 10 power of 9, which is this one is giga, and this one is kilo. Okay, it is 10 power of 3. Continue our calculation. 45 divide 900, we will have 0 0.05, 18 and 6. So this one is going up, means 18 minus 6, we will have 10 power of 12. And our unit, remember, we have Newton power of 3, and now we convert gigagram into kilogram. Then we need to use the appropriate prefix. So we have to move this point 1 2 3. So we have 50 times 10 power of 3. Then we have 10 power of 3, and we change our unit Newton power of 3 into kilo Newton power of 3 divide kg. Calculate this, we get 50 kilo Newton power of 3 over kg. So this is the answer. Please be careful when you converting unit here, because total here is 12 power of 12. When you add this kilo power of 3, you will get the same 10 power of 12. Here you can see kilonewton power of 3. What does it mean? This means kilonewton power of 3. So kilo power of 3, so 10 power of 9. 10 power of 9 plus 10 power of 3, we get back into 10 power of 12. That's why we can convert into kilonewton cube. So please be careful while you converting your unit, and also to use the appropriate prefix. Next, just extra example, how to convert 100 km per hour to meter second. So we have 100 km hour. Because for time is seconds, so we have convert hour to second. So 100 kilo is 10 power of 3 meter for length. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes times 60 seconds. And we have 100 divide 60 times 60. We're gonna have 0.02777 times 10 power of 3 meter second. So we move this point 1, 2 and 3. Also we round up 27.8 to 1 decimal place times 10 power of negative 3 times 10 power of 3 meter second. Here we get, we can cancel out this negative 3 plus 3, 0. We're gonna have 27.8 meter second. So from that value we convert into meter second. Let's try the last example. Convert 7.85 gram over centimeter cube. That means we convert to appropriate prefix and appropriate SI unit. So that's 2 mass gram to kilogram, centimeter cube into meter cube. Let's do it. So 7.85 gram to kilogram. We need kg in. Kilo is 10 power of 3. Once you take 10 of power 3, you have to put 10 power of negative 3. Negative 3 plus kilo 10 power of 3, we get back to 0. Can you see that? Sort of magic, but all in your mind. So I take this out. How we do that? We have to convert gram to kg. So we know kilo is 10 power of 3. Once you introduce another 10 power of 3, you have to take out back by times by 10 power of 3. So 10 power of 3 is kilo. 10 power of negative 3 kilogram. That's how we get 10 of power negative 3 times kg. Let's do for centimeter cube to meter cube. Centi is negative 2. 10 power of negative 2 meter 10 power of 3. So we have 7.85 times 10 power of 3 kg divide 10 of power negative 6 meter cube. So we have 7.85 times 10 power of negative 6 going up. This one is negative. Negative 6 going up. We get positive 6. Positive 6 plus negative 3. We have positive 3. Unit kg meter cube. So we convert into appropriate prefix, and SI unit. This is the answer. Let's focus on centimeter cube, 2 meter cube. Centi is 10 power of negative 2 unit. Meter, don't forget power of 3. The rules we learned before. So 2 times 3 we get negative 6, so 10 negative 6 meter cube. Alright, that enough example for this chapter. And finally, for the conclusion, for this chapter, you know how to use the SI unit and to convert into appropriate prefix. There's more example on the tutorial. I will divided you into group, and I will ask which group to do which tutorial. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum and have a good day.